Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube banner on your Canva PC. So if you want to create a YouTube banner like this for your YouTube channel on your PC or Mac, then let me show you how to do this. So it's very simple. Today we'll be using an app called Canva. So this is a web app and it's completely free of charge. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and navigate to canva.com. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. So here I've logged into my Canva account. It's completely free of charge. Now here to create a YouTube banner on PC or your MacBook, you want to go ahead and search for YouTube banner. This will show you all the templates which you can use. However, you can go ahead and make this more specific to your niche. So for example, you do YouTube videos on technology. So you can go ahead and search for YouTube banner technology. And this will show you all the YouTube banners related to technology. Now just be aware, sometimes some of these templates are paid. So you need to go ahead and filter out the ones that are free and the ones that are paid. Now when you look at all of these filters, you can go ahead and see this pro icon here. So this basically means that it's a paid version. The ones without the pro symbol, it basically means they're free to use. So I'll go ahead and select the one that I like. So for example, this one here. So this is completely free. So I'll go ahead and tap on customize this template. Now I can go ahead and change all the photos on this, or I can go ahead and delete it. I can go ahead and change the name. Go ahead and add a picture. So I can go ahead and remove this. I'll tap on upload and I'll go ahead and add a picture which I want to add into it. I can go ahead and replace the background if I like as well. Go ahead and upload a new background. And once I'm happy with the design, I can go ahead and tap on share the top right. And then I can go ahead and download this to my computer. Now this will basically download it to the exact YouTube banner size. So you can go ahead and select the PNG version and then tap on download. Now once downloaded, you can go ahead and view it and you can go ahead and upload this to your YouTube channel. So there you go guys, that is how to make a YouTube banner on Canva using your PC or your MacBook.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.